Okay, everyone. In this video, we are going to take a quick look at how to upload your video to Microsoft Stream, which is the Stream app in your Office 365 account. And we'll look at how to get that URL or web link so you can submit that video to an assignment. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is log into your Gem Outlook email, and that's where I am. I'm in my email account. Then you'll click on this grid, which is called the App Launcher. Scroll down to All Apps and click on that. And then scroll down until you find Stream. And click on these little buttons here, or dots. Open a new tab. And this is your Microsoft Stream account. Well, this is my account. You will, when you do this, you will open up your account. So what you want to do is go to My Content and Videos. And so this is a list of videos that I've already uploaded. What you want to do is click on this upload video arrow, and you can drag your video file here or browse to upload it, and I'm going to do that here in a minute. But before I do this, I want to remind you that you should make sure that your video is as small as you can get it in terms of file size. So yes, Microsoft Stream can accept very large video files. They can also accept MP4 files and MOV files. However, the larger your video file, the longer it will take to upload and process. Let me give you an example. Before I started this video, I came to my computer, and my computer is a wired internet connection, which means I have a pretty strong internet connection. I'm not using wireless. So this is a wired internet connection. I uploaded an MOV video file that was 104 megabytes, and it was only 3 minutes in length. The actual video was 3 minutes and 5 seconds. It was 104 megabytes in just the 3 minutes. Well, it took 10 minutes of real time for me to upload the video and process it. So that should give you an idea of how long this would take, given how large your video file is and how strong your internet connection is. So you want to make sure you get the file size as small as you can in megabytes, and that you have a good internet connection. Now, what you might want to do also is to break up your videos into smaller video clips and submit those. They will upload and process more easily if you break up a larger video into smaller clips. Okay, that's out of the way. Remember, I clicked on this arrow to upload video. I'm going to browse. And here are some videos that I've recorded. Let's do this one. This is an MP4 video file. It is 18.6 megabytes, and it's 6 minutes in length. Click open, and this is what it will look like. It will upload, and you think, oh, this is going so fast, but it's not. That's just the upload, and now it has to process. So now you have to wait for a while. I'm going to go back to My Content and go to Videos, and you'll see this is the video I just uploaded, and it'll say processing. When it is finished processing, you will receive an email in your JSU Gym Outlook email. It will tell you that it is finished processing. So for example, here's one that I received. Your video is finished processing. Okay. And you can click on it when you receive it, and it will take you to the video. Here's one of the videos that I uploaded. Okay. Here's some others here. If it uploads and it uploads as draft, you'll need to publish it so you can share it. This green indicator tells you that you can share it. If for some reason it comes in and it's yellow, you can't share it. So to change it, you just click on this pencil here next to the video. Now remember, this is only if it's yellow. Click on this pencil. Allow everyone in your company to view this and hit apply. I'm not going to do this. So let's go up to one of these. Your video should come in and look like this. You may need to publish it. I'm going to click on this set of actions here and hit share because this is green. This is the video, the link to the video. Okay, I've copied it. And now I can go turn it in. So I'm going to take a quick break and come back. Okay, I'm back. And this is one of my demo courses, and this is an assignment. So I'm going to go to the student view so you can see what it would look like. And you will need either a text entry or a URL upload in order to submit. So I'm going to, you can either paste it in, or you can do this, insert. I believe that will, actually no, that may not work. So this should work. Hit submit assignment. Here we go. And there's the video. And there it is. So that's how you upload a video into Stream and get the link and submit it in Canvas.